Good morning, students. Today we are going to start unit number 9, mass. Let's see what is mass. The weight of anything is called mass. The objects can be heavier or they can be lighter. Look at this watermelon. Can you guess? Watermelon is heavy or light? Yes, the watermelon is heavier. Look at this apple. Can you tell me the apple is heavier or lighter? Yes, an apple is lighter in weight. We can measure the mass with the help of different things. Look at this. This is a weighing machine. With the help of this weighing machine, we can measure the weight of different objects. Let's measure the weight of jam bottle. We can measure it with the help of cubes. Now, the weight of the jam bottle is 3 cubes. 1 cube stands for 1 unit. So, we can say the mass of the jam is 3 cubes or 3 unit. Okay, let's start the exercise. Take out your math books and open page 109. Measure and write the mass of the following objects. Look at the first one example. If 1 cube stands for 1 unit, then can you tell me what is the mass of this log? Yes, here are 3 cubes, so the mass of the log is 3 cubes or 3 unit. Now let's measure the mass of watermelon. If 1 baseball stands for 1 unit, then what is the mass of the watermelon? Yes, here are 4 baseballs, so we can say the mass of a watermelon is 4 baseballs or 4 units. Okay, now let's measure the mass of loaf of bread. And we will measure it with the help of ball. If 1 ball stands for 1 unit, then what is the mass of loaf of bread? Yes, there are 5 balls, so we can say the mass of a loaf of bread is 4 balls or 4 units. Now it's your